Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, in the Quran, so you make celebrate like a Eid on the day of Juma. So Juma day you have to make celebrate like a festival Eid. So my dear beloved brothers and sisters, many people in this world, among us, among you, they even don't know today is Friday. So how those people will go to mosque for perform Salah of Juma a day, my dear beloved brothers and sisters? So many people in this world don't even know today is Friday. So we have to remember the Friday. Friday is very important day. The Juma day is very important day. Our all human being for Muslim community, very important day is Juma. So Juma day we have to leave all the work, all the business, and we have to take bath purely, and we have to go to attend the mosque and listen something and perform salah. What Molvi, what Mufti will say, you will have to listen. You go to the mosque and you go to the mosque and you perform salah, and you sit properly and listens what Mufti Maulana, what he says. You have to listen attentively and don't be create chaos and don't talk unnecessarily. The Juma is very compulsory. Juma is very obligatory to listen something. So as you know that the Johur prayer 4 unit, but why the Juma day is 2 unit salah? So 2 unit salah cut out, and this mean this Juma, this mean you are sitting this platform mean Juma, mean all gather and we are listening something. So this khutbah, I mean to say this khutbah is like 2 unit of salah. So Johur prayer 4 unit and Juma prayer 2 unit, and 2 unit like a salah. The khutbah like a salah. So you don't talk too much, you listen attentively what says the Mufti Maulana, and you sits properly and don't be chaos, don't create chaos, and don't try to talk something, my beloved brothers and sisters. So today I would like to talk something Juma. So Juma mean we all gather and we all attend the mosque and listen. It is compulsory, it is obligatory, it is instructed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So it has mentioned Quran, Juma, Surah Juma has created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has gave Juma. Juma mean has a surah in this Quran. So Juma is very important our life. So we have to leave all the tasks, all the business, and we have to go ahead for perform salah. So my beloved brothers and sisters, if you like this video, so please like and comment and share of other,